Good morning, people. I have the board here that's in the vacuum bag. Today I'm going to be taking it out of the vacuum bag using a jigsaw, a router, and a sander to cut it down to the shape of the core and take a look at it in its final form. I took the board out of the netting. That netting was to allow air to flow out of the bag as it was being vacuumed, as it was being pumped. So now that I have all the netting off and I'm looking at it for the first time, I am feeling it and I'm seeing there's no air bubbles underneath. This is the top, that was the bottom, and just feeling and looking at it, everything is suctioned right to the core, and that is exactly what I wanted. That's why I went through all the trouble steaming and forming the core before putting any of this stuff on, is so that it didn't create or allow any air to remain inside of the bag, and it worked, and I'm super happy about that. So now I'm gonna use the jigsaw to cut these pieces out. I'm not sure if you can see the outline of the core there, but I'm gonna cut right along that and then use the router to make it a little bit more precise, and then just use a sander to clean everything else up. Yep, I think I'm done. I'm just going to take these pieces off, but everything is cut and sanded to shape. After this, I'm going to try and test it out. Put some blocks here, stand on it, see what it does. That is a test that I do with every single board that I make. I suspend the board between two blocks of wood about where the trucks would be, and then I jump on it until the bottom touches the ground. I still have a little bit more work to do to this board. I have to cut these squares out so the trucks will go through. This is board number 9 that I've made, I believe. This is board number like 6 or something, and as you can see right here, the trucks go through the board. That's the square that I need to cut out so that these trucks will fit through the board. So I have to do that exact same thing here. And then after all of that's done, I'm going to add one more layer of epoxy to seal it, and then put grip tape on it, put the trucks and wheels on it, and then ride it. I'm super excited with how this thing turned out. It turned out really well. Everything's straight. The curves are amazing, just perfect and even and symmetrical. Everything from this curve to this curve, and the shape is just very well done. I think it's by far the best one I've done yet. So, very excited to ride this thing.